long we got left, sir?
I didn't stop the clock because I can't be asked
No,
at the moment,
fair.
so we've got about 3 minutes.
I don't. Well, say fucking.
3 minutes. Yeah.
How many shots can be made in 3 minutes?
Have a word.
Yeah.
Line out, sir, is it?
It's a line out. It's a dead ball. Line out.
Line to middle.
Line up then, boys!
Yeah. That's the middle. Yeah, line out. You're line out. You took him into touch.
Touch now, yeah! Good hard, yeah! Good hard! Heads in! Settle! Yes!
Touch again.
Green ball! Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, green ball.
Green ball! Boys, green ball!
Here's your mark.
He can decide the game.
Wait, the referee can
Just a knock on.
Canada.
Knock on the floor.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, can it?
Black on and who's dropping, boys? Where's Kieran? Come on, Kieran.
Got it, lads. Two's in.
Two's in. Steady second. Right there. Back on.
Coach!
Hold.
Bind! Set!
No!
Good work, Ollie. Go, Reece. Chase it!
Oh, go on, Baker!
Go! Go on, home! Go on, home!
Yes!
He has got it. He was on it.
Spread it!
Okay.
Come left! Don't stay! Go right! Go right! Good. Ball!
Here you go.
No 9!
Last play.
Last play, boys. Don't score, boys.